The Future of Life, Mechanobiology and Nanorobots. In a world where biology and technology converge, a new frontier emerges, mechanobiology. The study of how mechanical forces shape living cells is revolutionizing medicine, engineering, and our very understanding of life itself. Tiny forces invisible to the naked eye control the behavior of our cells, determining how they grow, move, and communicate. But now, science is taking it a step further. Enter nanorobots, microscopic machines that interact directly with cells at the molecular level. These nanobots, no bigger than a few molecules, are designed to repair, diagnose, and even alter biological structures. They can target cancer cells with pinpoint precision, deliver drugs to specific tissues, and regenerate damaged organs. Imagine a future where diseases are no longer feared, and the human body can be repaired from the inside out. This is not science fiction. It's the dawn of a new era, where biology and technology work together to heal, enhance, and even transcend the limits of the human body. Mechanobiology and nanorobots, changing the way we think about life, one cell at a time.